Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add font frame on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here, if you wanna add a font frame on a CapCut app, so you just click on the sticker at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the template. In here you just click on the sticker, and then in here you can click on the frame like this, and then now you can search or you can see many font frame that you can use. Maybe you can use this frame, this iPhone frame, or you can choose the another frames, maybe on this one, maybe, or this, sorry, or you can use this one. Okay, and after this, in here you can adjust the font or the frame font like this. Okay, you can click on the check icon like this, and now you can adjust the video. If you want to make this a video too small, so you just click on the clip. Okay, and you can pitch with the finger like this. Okay, like this. And after this, in here you just go back and click on the sticker, and now you can setting the sticker until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add font frame on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.